Hey everyone, welcome back. Getting money with TikTok is within reach if you leverage the platform's vast potential and creative opportunities. Here are some proven strategies to help you monetize your TikTok presence. Grow your follower base. Focus on creating engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Consistently post unique and entertaining videos to attract more followers. Participate in TikTok Creator Fund. If you meet the eligibility criteria, join the TikTok Creator Fund to earn money based on your video views. The more views you get, the more money you can earn. Brand partnerships and influencer marketing. Collaborate with brands and businesses as an influencer to promote their products or services in your videos. Negotiate sponsored deals and affiliate partnerships to earn commissions on sales. Live streaming. Go live on TikTok to interact with your followers in real time. Viewers can send you virtual gifts, and you can convert these gifts into cash. Sell products or services. Utilize TikTok to promote and sell your products or services. Showcase their benefits and encourage viewers to make purchases. Cross-promote on other platforms. Promote your TikTok videos on other social media platforms to attract more followers and potentially increase your monetization opportunities. Participate in challenges and competitions. Engage in trending challenges and competitions to boost your visibility and attract more followers. Brands often sponsor these events and may reach out for collaborations. Offer exclusive content. Consider creating a paid subscription service or a private account where followers can access exclusive content for a fee. Tap into TikTok ads. If you have a business or brand, consider running TikTok ads to reach a wider audience and drive sales or leads. Understand TikTok analytics. Utilize TikTok Pro account insights to track your video performance, understand your audience demographics, and optimize your content strategy. Remember, building a successful TikTok presence takes time and effort. Stay consistent, be authentic, and focus on providing value to your audience. With dedication and creativity, you can turn your TikTok passion into a profitable venture. Subscribe now for more social media tips and tricks. Watch our previous videos to boost your online presence.